begin the match in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
Quantico Bears score the first note over on blue. Titan Robotics score the first note on red. They're going to go over to the center. Meanwhile, Stark Industries ventures out center on the opposite side of the field for the Blue Alliance. Time expires in auto. Drivers now at the reins here. Blue Alliance lead 21-14. 3 notes scored during autonomous by the Blue Alliance. Quantico Bears 930 take aim with their turret. They launch on up for 2 quick points. Their alliance partners Stark, they're on the amp for the Blue Alliance in this match. They've got 1 note queued up in addition to Cooperation in play. Red Alliance has 2 notes queued up. We've got Ferrodermis with a note ready to score if possible. Unibots, they're going to venture downfield. Ferrodermis are lined up, patiently waiting, and Amplification active for the Red Alliance makes that note worth 5 points. That's putting them back in the match here. They still trail by 5. Ferrodermis and their alliance partner Unibots both are down on the red source, while their partner Titan is continuing to replenish the amp to enable an additional bonus period of amplification. Speaking of which, the Blue Alliance is rounding out their final 3 seconds of their own amplification. Stark and 930 both get a quick 10 points for their alliance. De La Salle Institute's Meteor Bots are moving downfield toward that Blue Alliance amp zone. Lots of collisions midfield as robots are trying to cycle from one corner to the other. 930, Stark, and De La Salle all in that Blue Alliance wing at the moment. 1 note still needed for Blue Alliance to have amplification possible here. It looks like Quantico is going to try that. There's 2 notes, though, bundled up right in front of that blue amp, making it a little bit difficult to get passage through that amp zone and use the stability of the amp assembly to get those notes cleanly into that surface. Quantico Bears, they are working on some assist notes coming out of the Red Alliance wing, launching one over. They're trying to make sure they can use that note during amplification to make it have its increased value from 2 points up to 5. Ferrodermis 6574 on the amp for the Red Alliance. Their alliance partners Unibots and Titan right behind them. Unibots head into the Sage zone first. They're going to make sure that they are on stage if possible. Moving of their manipulator, though, gave them a little bit of trouble pushing their robot down onto the floor. All 3 red robots in the stage zone, Ferrodermis, Titan, and Unibots up off the ground as time expires in match 68. 73-53 for the Blue Alliance. They also did earn the Melody ranking point, so did those 3 Red Alliance teams.